Every time you choose to do one thing, you're automatically saying no to something else. That trade-off is called opportunity cost, and it affects every decision you make. When you pick going to a party over studying for your exam, the real cost isn't just your time, it's the grade you might have earned. We'll explore how to calculate opportunity costs using real money and uncover the hidden costs most people miss.
Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
You're making dozens of opportunity cost decisions every single day. That Netflix episode? That's an hour you could have spent learning a new skill. That morning you slept in? That's a workout you didn't do. There's a mathematical formula that can tell you exactly how much these choices cost you over time. Every single choice operates on this principle. When you choose to stay up late scrolling through social media, you're not just losing sleep. You're trading away tomorrow's energy, focus, and productivity. When you choose to hang out with friends instead of working on that side project, you're delaying the skills you could have built. You might think you need balance, and you're right, but opportunity cost doesn't tell you what to choose. It just makes the trade-off visible. Maybe that party is worth more to your mental health and relationships than a slightly better grade. That's a valid choice, but it's only a conscious choice if you see both sides. Let's pause for a second. When you choose to go to a party instead of studying for an exam, what is the opportunity cost? Is it A, the money you spend at the party? B, the grade you might have earned by studying? C, the time you spend getting ready? Or D, the friends you hang out with? The correct answer is B, the grade you might have earned by studying.
Hey, you're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
Most people focus on the immediate, visible costs, the cash leaving their wallet, the hours on the clock. But opportunity cost is always about the alternative you sacrificed. The money you spend is a regular cost. The grade you could have earned represents the opportunity cost because that's the specific value you gave up. Does this mean you should never buy anything? Of course not. If that gaming console brings you hundreds of hours of joy and helps you connect with friends, maybe that's worth more than theoretical future dollars. But the key is seeing the real trade-off. Let's look at a trickier scenario: the minimum wage job versus the unpaid internship. You're offered two summer positions. Option A pays $15 an hour for 40 hours a week over 12 weeks. That's $7,200 in your pocket. Option B is an unpaid internship at a prestigious company in your field. The immediate opportunity cost of the internship is obvious. You're giving up $7,200. But what's the opportunity cost of taking the paying job? That internship might lead to a full-time job offer starting at $65,000 instead of $45,000. Even if the internship only boosts your starting salary by $10,000, that difference compounds throughout your career. Over 30 years, that unpaid internship could be worth an additional $300,000 in lifetime earnings. Suddenly, turning down $7,200 to gain $300,000 seems like a pretty good trade. But what if you need that $7,200 to pay rent? Now the opportunity cost equation includes financial stability. This is why opportunity cost isn't about right or wrong answers. It's about making the invisible visible. Here's a scenario that trips people up. True or false? If you have $500 and choose to buy a gaming console instead of investing the money, the opportunity cost includes the potential investment returns you gave up.
The answer is true.
Money has a time value. $1 today can become more dollars tomorrow if you invest it. When you spend money, you're not just spending the number on the price tag, you're spending its future potential. This doesn't mean spending is bad. The mistake isn't in spending, it's in not realizing what you're truly trading away. Now we need to talk about the hidden opportunity costs silently shaping your life. The biggest one? The value of your time. Your time has a dollar value. If you make $20 an hour at your job, then every hour you spend doing something else has an opportunity cost of at least $20. But your time's value isn't fixed. If you spend an hour learning a high-income skill, you're investing in raising your hourly value for thousands of future hours. Then there's the opportunity cost of waiting. Every day you delay starting that business or investing that money is a day of potential growth you'll never get back. Starting at 25 versus 30 could mean a difference of hundreds of thousands of dollars by retirement. And here's the most invisible opportunity cost: the compound effect of small daily choices. Choosing to watch TV instead of reading for 30 minutes a day doesn't seem like much, but that's 182 hours a year. That's enough time to master multiple skills or build a side business. One final question. Which of the following is an example of a hidden opportunity cost that people often overlook? Is it A, the price tag on an item you purchase? B, the sales tax you pay at checkout? C, the value of your time spent on activities? Or D, the shipping cost for online orders? The correct answer is C, the value of your time spent on activities. Price tags, sales tax, and shipping costs are explicit, visible costs. But the value of your time? That's the invisible thief. Opportunity cost is the invisible architecture of your entire life. Every moment, you're at a crossroads of infinite possibilities, and the path you choose automatically closes off all the others. Here's your next step. For the next 24 hours, notice 3 decisions you make. Before you choose, pause and ask yourself, what am I saying no to by saying yes to this? Not to paralyze yourself, but to make the trade-off visible. When you see both sides of the equation, you'll make better choices. And over time, those better choices compound into a dramatically different life.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.